representing the good people of Afikpo and Edda Federal Constituency, the chairman of the occasion, Your Royal Highnesses, gentlemen of the academic community, distinguished guests, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. It is a distinct honor to read out to you and present the guest lecturer for the 2025 Okpudo Ikeji Festival. The Right Honorable Member, please kindly permit, Mr. Chairman, that I read the abridged version of his profile, because what I have here is very lengthy. I will just summarize it. Professor Eseni Azudu is a distinguished Nigerian scholar, academic leader, a human rights advocate who hails from Amemo, Ebumwana, in Edda local government area of Ebonyi State, Nigeria. Interestingly, he has a remarkable career spanning the judiciary, academia, and ecclesiastical service. Professor Eseni Azudu has emerged as one of the most influential figures in contemporary Nigerian legal education. He is currently a professor of human rights law and the first substantive dean of law of Alex Ekwueme Federal University, Ndofu-Alike, Ebonyi State. Professor Udu's academic journey is both inspiring and exemplary. He earned his LLB degree from Abia State University and proceeded to obtain a Master of Laws degree from the Nigerian University of Nigeria, Nsukka. He holds 2 doctorate degrees. He holds a doctorate degree in company law from Nnamdi Azikiwe University and also holds a doctorate degree in human rights law from the University of Nigeria. Professor Eseni's commitment to education extends beyond law, as he has also been and have held postgraduate diploma in education and is a registered professional teacher under the Teachers Registration Council of Nigeria, an erudite scholar of international repute. Professor Eseni Azudu has published over 70 scholarly articles and serves as the editor-in-chief of the Alex Ekwueme Federal University Law Journal. Professor Eseni is also the author of several authoritative legal texts, including Human Rights in Africa, Principles of Company and Law and Practice, Introduction to Law of Evidence, Nigerian Legal System in Perspective, and Election Law in Perspective. And some of his books are currently used in faculties of law of Nigerian universities and the Nigerian Law School as recommended texts. In addition to his full-time and current roles, Professor Eseni Azudu is an adjunct professor at Ebonyi State University, where he once served as head of the Department of Public and Private Law. He is also a former chief magistrate in the Ebonyi State Judiciary and has held an adjunct senior lecturership at the prestigious Afe Babalola University. His participation in various university committees reflects his broad influence in academic governance and development. Outside academia and the judiciary, Professor Eseni Udu has over 2 decades served as a legal advisor to his community. More importantly, he is a committed Christian and serves as an ordained ruling elder of the Presbyterian Church of Nigeria. He is the legal advisor of the Abakaliki Synod of the Church, further demonstrating his passion for service and ethical leadership. Professor Eseni Azudu is happily married to his amiable wife, Barrister Mrs. Joyce Nenna Eseni, a renowned legal practitioner. Their union is blessed with wonderful children, forming a family deeply rooted in excellence and service. Suffice it to note that in all the spheres of life, Professor Eseni Azudu exemplifies scholarship, leadership, and integrity, making enduring contributions to legal education, human rights advocacy, as well as community service and national development. The Honorable Member representing Afikpo and Edda Federal Constituency, the Chairman of the occasion, Your Royal Highnesses, gentlemen of the academic community, distinguished guests, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, it is again my distinct honor to present to you the 2025 laureate of the Okpudo Annual Lecture, Professor Eseni Azudu. Thank you very much.